Mastering Plant-Based Cooking. Essential techniques for flavorful and nutritious meals. Welcome to this exciting lesson on plant-based cooking. If you've ever felt unsure about how to make plant-based meals delicious and satisfying, you're in the right place. Today, we'll unlock the secrets to preparing meals that are both flavorful and packed with nutrients. Let's dive in. Cooking plant-based meals isn't just a trend. It's a powerful step toward better health and sustainability. By mastering a few simple techniques, you can transform everyday ingredients into wholesome meals that delight your taste buds. Whether you're aiming to eat more plants or go fully plant-based, this lesson is for you. Plant-based cooking embraces vibrant vegetables, hearty grains, and healthy proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu. But the right techniques are key to making them shine. Get ready to discover just how versatile and tasty plant-based cooking can be. Start your plant-based journey by learning the basics of preparation. Washing, slicing, dicing, and storing your vegetables properly goes a long way towards saving time and preserving nutrients. Planning ahead ensures that you're never scrambling for options at mealtime. Next, stock your pantry with plant-based essentials such as spices, oils, and whole grains. A well-stocked kitchen gives you the flexibility to experiment and create. When your tools and ingredients are ready, the magic truly begins. The key to amazing plant-based dishes is layering flavors. Start with aromatics, onions, garlic, and spices sautéed in a little olive oil or broth. This creates a flavor-packed base for soups, stews, or stir-fries. Acidity can elevate any dish. Add a splash of lemon juice or vinegar to brighten flavors. Don't forget umami. Ingredients like nutritional yeast, mushrooms, miso, or soy sauce add a deep, savory dimension to your meals. Finally, season boldly. Fresh herbs, citrus zest, or a sprinkle of sea salt can transform a simple dish into something remarkable. Experiment and don't be afraid to taste and adjust as you go. Preserving the nutrients in plant-based ingredients is vital. Steam or blanch vegetables instead of boiling them to avoid losing vitamins to the cooking water. When roasting, aim for moderate temperatures to retain both flavor and nutrition. Avoid overcooking your proteins like tofu or beans. They should remain firm and appealing. Incorporate raw elements like leafy greens or shredded carrots for added texture and nutrition. Every small choice adds up to healthier, more vibrant meals. A balanced plant-based dish includes a variety of components: proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Think quinoa bowls topped with roasted veggies and tahini dressing, or lentil soup served with whole grain bread. The goal is to create meals that satisfy both your hunger and your nutritional needs. Don't forget visual appeal. A colorful plate isn't just pretty, it ensures you're getting a range of nutrients. Let your creativity shine through as you combine textures, colors, and flavors to create dishes that are as exciting to eat as they are good for you. Now that you understand the foundations, it's time to practice. Start with simple recipes like veggie stir-fries, hearty salads, or creamy plant-based soups. With each meal, you'll grow more confident and adventurous in the kitchen. Use what you've learned to experiment with global cuisines, from Mediterranean to Asian-inspired dishes. This keeps your meals exciting and introduces you to new techniques and ingredients. Now that you've discovered how to enhance flavors, preserve nutrients, and craft well-balanced meals, it's time to take action. Start cooking. Don't be afraid to try new recipes, make mistakes, and share your creations with others. For more tips, recipes, and inspiration, subscribe to this channel and join a community of like-minded food enthusiasts. Together, let's reimagine what's possible with plant-based cooking. Get started today. Your health, taste buds, and planet will thank you.